introduce how to use these movers. First, open this and connect the two wires. And then turn on the two switches. This is the emergency stop. It can turn on. This is the water meter. This is the lighting switches. This is the power switch. This is the start switch. First, you can open the powers, and this is the light. This to add the gas line. This to add the engine oil. Okay. There are three starting methods. One is power cord start, another is electric start, and the third is the remote control start. Power cord start. Electric start method. Remote control start. The function of cutter lifting adjustable button. This. The cutting height is from 20 to 150 millimeters. This is the knives. There is two knives for one side to cut the movers. This button is for forward. This is for walk backward. This button is for turn right. This is for turn left. This button is to control the speed. This is for high speed. This is for slow speed. This is the button for cruise control. Turn on the control and the light will flash. Then push this walk button. They will work. And finally you can turn off the cruise control button. There are two kinds of remote controls. One is C7 remote control. Another is industry remote control. The C7 control has 4 batteries, like this. And the industry control, there are charge ports. You can charge like this. It's long time using and very convenient. Press the power button and very convenient to use.